Feeding in animals. As we all know that all living things need energy to keep them alive. They get this energy from food. On the basis of type of food, animals are of three types: herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Let us first discuss what herbivorous are. Animals that eat plants are known as herbivorous. Example: cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, deer, zebra, rabbits. Likewise, carnivorous are those animals which eat other animals. Example: lion, tiger, cheetah, cat. Omnivorous are those animals which eat both plants and animals. Example: man, bears, dog, crow.